Hey guys! So if you're an ESL learner, you might be kind of nervous about ordering food at a restaurant for the first time. For that reason, I've decided to make this short video in which I'm going to show you step by step how you can go to a restaurant and order food in English. Are you ready? Let's go. So at some restaurants, you actually have to make a reservation, which means that you have to call or you have to go on their website and put your name down or give your information in order to reserve a table. But some restaurants, you can just walk in. We don't have a reservation tonight, so we're just gonna head in now. Alright, so the server led us through the restaurant and chose a table for us. So we were given our menus and we were given water to start. And the waiter asked us if we'd like anything else to drink, but we're not drinking any alcohol tonight, so we're good with water. And now we've decided what we want to order from the menu and we're just waiting for a server to take our order. So this is the menu. There's something called happy hour, which means that it's the time that food is a little bit cheaper and they have specials on certain things. And then here's the rest of the menu. So there's different sections. So if you like seafood, if you want an appetizer, there's bowls, seafood, steak, pasta, burgers, and dessert. All right, so I'll have the Mother Earth bowl, and he'll actually have the same.
You got it. Do you want to add any protein on the Mother Earth bowl?
I think I'll have maybe chicken.
I can add chicken.
And he's vegan, so
Okay. So no cheese then?
no cheese, nothing else.
Do you want to add tofu?
Tofu sounds good. Yeah, that's everything. Thanks. So the server came to the table and dropped off our food, and then they asked us if we needed anything else, like pepper or anything like that, and we said no. So we're going to eat our meals now. Was we waited until the server came back and they took our plates away, and then we asked for the check or the bill. It came and we paid with a credit card. That's probably the most common form of payment. And we left a tip, we paid the bill, and now we're done. So if you find that your server is around but they haven't come and given the bill, you can ask them, can we get the bill? Or they might ask you, is there anything else that you'd like to order? And you can say, just the bill please. Now one other thing you should know is that it's very common in Canada to tip. Usually 15% is standard and 20% if the service was very good. All right, so that's how you order food at a restaurant in Canada. So I hope you found this video useful. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. See you next time.